Hey guys, welcome to AP Stat. You are going to be learning this course virtually, so it's going to be a little bit different than your regular face-to-face class, but you're going to get all the information you need to be prepared by the end for your AP exam. So what is AP Statistics? AP Statistics is an introductory college-level statistics course, and it introduces students to the major concepts and tools for collecting, analyzing, and drawing conclusions from data. So we can give you any type of data, you can find any type of data, and you can take that and really think about it in an intelligent way that makes you be able to communicate what trends you see. Students can cultivate their understanding of statistics using technology, investigations, problem solving, and writing as you explore concepts like variation and distribution, patterns and uncertainty, and database predictions, decisions, and conclusions. So in this class, we're going to be covering 9 major topics that are going to be on the AP exam in May. You're going to be looking at exploring 1 variable data, 2 variable data, and some of this stuff is going to be slightly familiar from what you've learned in the past. And if you've taken a lot of AP exams or a lot of AP classes, then you're going to start to see a lot of concepts that overlap, which is really cool. Okay, so your exam is going to include multiple choice questions. It can also include free response questions, which are multi-step questions that require detailed explanations and also a deep understanding of the vocabulary that's located in statistics. So stat is all about wording. You're going to have to be able to analyze and use your words to be able to communicate effectively. And we're going to be looking at the way that graders grade in order to help us have a better understanding of what is expected for us on the AP exam. In the class, the way that it's set up is every single Monday there's going to be some type of instructional piece that's posted on Monday. That Monday will include lessons, it can include videos, things that are going to help you develop the understanding of the content behind AP Statistics. Most of the time, we're going to be using Khan Academy. Khan Academy has recently partnered with College Board, so the resources that are on Khan Academy are approved by College Board, and they are preparing you for the AP exam. All the work that's assigned on Monday will be due the following Sunday at 11:59. If you do not finish your Khan Academy work, then there will be an automatic 20-point deduction. So it's really critical to be on top of your Khan Academy work, which can include lessons, quizzes, tests, and those will be counted as both summatives and formatives within your actual Infinite Campus. On Wednesdays, we're going to go a little bit deeper. We're going to dive into projects. We're going to talk about concepts that you would be interested in. So what would you actually care about? What type of data do you want to explore? We're going to use that to create these multi-step assignments that help you understand statistics a little bit better. We may look at resources like AP Classroom, Sapling. You might be doing group projects, Nearpods, discussion boards, and all of these types of assignments that are posted on Wednesday are due the following Tuesday at 11:59. Again, 20-point deduction for any late work. So I also might post discussion boards. Discussion boards require you sometimes to post initial posts, but then to also go further and to follow up with your classmates. This is a very college-like structure, being able to communicate with the people in your class and being able to feel comfortable with saying, you know, here's some feedback for you and taking feedback for myself so that we can all become better writers with statistics. Our late policy discussion posts will not be accepted late. You are supposed to do those because that's going to help the class as a whole. So if you do not post your discussion posts, that means you're not helping anybody else. All other assignments will incur a 20-point deduction if they're turned in late. There's a few things that you're going to need to be successful for this course. You will need a TI-84 calculator. The picture there is to the right top of the screen. This calculator is imperative for different hypothesis tests, for confidence intervals, for probability. You need this in order to be successful. It's a very useful tool for AP Statistics. We're also going to be using Khan Academy. Your teacher will set you up with this by posting a link, and the link will bring you to a page where you can join their class. You will also need an AP Classroom account, as well as a Sapling account. And Sapling is the online textbook that we use for this course. So we're going to find that in our class link. Some of our class links right now are not necessarily set up and they don't have the Sapling account loaded yet, but we are hoping to get that in there as soon as possible. So these are some of the things that you will need to be successful in this course. I'm really excited to start with you guys. If you ever need any help, feel free on the weekends, at nights, email your teacher, contact them at Learning. We are here to help you every step of the way. Ask questions. Ask questions, correct your teacher. Everyone is here to just create this really cool, engaging learning situation. And it's okay to get things wrong. It's okay to mess up, and it's okay to incorrectly word something on accident and learn from that. So we're going to learn from the things that we don't understand. We're going to learn from each other. We are all in this together to learn AP Stats so that we can be successful on the AP exam in May. I look forward to working with you guys. It's going to be a great year.